Top reasons to meditate. Does your mind chatter or talk almost nonstop at you? This is something that millions of people are dealing with. This chatter can literally drive you crazy and make your stress levels reach new peaks. One of the best ways to deal with this mind chatter is to start incorporating meditation in your life. Meditation can help different aspects of your life, as we will discuss below. It can help you to overcome issues such as anxiety, depression, mood swings, and feelings of confusion. Dealing with these feelings is a major problem for thousands of people around the world. Sometimes these thoughts can be detrimental to your life and can have devastating effects of your life. If you're dealing with any of these issues, check with your doctor about the benefits of incorporating meditation. Meditation also helps you build healthy outlooks when it comes to achieving things like losing weight. By meditating, you are reinforcing a positive attitude. If you use motivational quotes, you can easily improve your mindset. If your goal is to lose weight, congratulate yourself each day on your effects. Or you may want to focus on how fantastic you will look in those skinny jeans. Meditation can help boost your creativity streak. When you clear your mind and reduce all that chatter, your ability to focus and concentrate increases. When your mind is free, you can allow it to wander and dream up all types of new things. Meditating helps you feel re-energized. Your sessions do not have to last that long at all. A 20-minute session can help clear your mind and thoughts and leave you feeling refreshed and re-energized. It also helps you deal with stress. This is achieved by reinforcing positive thoughts and by allowing you to focus on the tasks at hand. You will develop the skills needed to deal with your stress more effectively. Meditation helps to improve your focus and your attention span. Participating in activities such as yoga or Tai Chi can help you in these areas, as can repeating motivational quotes or listening and focusing on sounds such as waves crashing against the beach. Doctors are now recommending meditation to more and more of their patients. This can be a helpful way to deal with many health issues, and it really doesn't cost anything. To date, the results that have been seen from meditating are extremely positive, so it is something that is well worth looking into more in depth.